calling them, they're called technicians now, and they've earned that name. They are not just mechanics anymore. They are automotive certified technicians. I mean, that damn Raptor I drive's got a 10-speed computer as the transmission. Bubba, the shade tree, ain't working on that thing. I mean, that takes a legitimate, certified technician. I mean, I don't know how many, that's what those guys, I've told this story before. Those guys are the highest paid people at the dealerships sometimes. I mean, I know for a fact when I was working at a local Ford store that the diesel transmission guy, maybe he worked on all transmissions, but the diesel transmission technician, first number in his yearly pay started with a 2, made over $200,000 a year. You think if there was 50 of him readily available in the Rankin County area, that he could have got that kind of money? Absolutely not. Supply demand. I tell you, if you're young out there right now, do your research on these kind of jobs. Find out who's charging the most money, who can get the most money to work. They're able to get that kind of money because there ain't a lot of them doing it. My buddy Matt Phillips does appliance repairs. Phillips Appliances, shout out to them. I don't know a lot of people that do appliance repairs. I know it's a multi-week wait to get them to come to your house. Air conditioning guys in the summer, need more of those. Those are good paying jobs. AI ain't replacing it. You got to start looking at that too in the future. Can AI replace you? If AI can replace you, hey, I'm not just talking to kids anymore. I'm talking to grown ass men and women out there. It may be time for you to get in trade school. Lawyers, a lot of y'all are going to be replaced. A lot of lawyers are going to be replaced.